Oh,
I need exalted Moradin. I need exalted Moradin.
They have three bombs. Longbow, energy shaper, and
Shipper.
be careful, Franta.
Okay. Food up only. Let them come. Let them bong. Where's the rest of the team, ah? I will open this gate, so that they will not bonk. I will open this gate sooner, okay?
Springs pa lang kami.
I'm gonna
sa
wait for
box,
my DPS. I'm gonna wait for my DPS first.
I wouldn't open the gate, bro. Just let them waste their time.
Shaper.
Keeper. Alta, oh my god. Your battle mode? Okay. Stay for now. Nice Specto. Yeah, stay like that, boy. Stay like that. We are regrouping first. Let them come to inside. We don't engage. Let Specto do his job.
Could have gone witch work for a Spectre.
No, we are melee reactive. Okay, Kingmaker
Yeah, no,
or
just
Gala
drag
is
a
okay.
clump for Spectre to do damage.
Yeah, let them OC. Wait for now. Spectre, yeah, I can E for you, Spectre, okay? Okay, I'm gonna wait you guys all.
He wants the crown cook.
Can you pass me the party lead?
Yeah. Let me check. Party leader on you.
Where's my old DPS? Cairo, where is Cairo? Shaper.
Shaper.
Spectre ready?
yeah.
I'm gonna use my E in 3, 2, 1. I'm using E now.
Someone copying OP.
I nearly wiped him.
Again, Spectre, again.
Still cooldown.
Damnation, Peter, use Damnation, Peter, okay? Use Damnation.
20 second.
Okay.
Anyone got a jacket? Can you jacket a Spectre, guys?
No, it's okay. No need jacket. We don't have jacket.
Or a beam?
Chill.
Beam a Spectre?
Yeah, you can beam. Spectre, bro.
7 minutes.
7, ready, Spectre?
Okay, ready.
Okay, Radby and me. West in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice one! Almost, bro. Almost. We have 8 minutes. We will wipe them, boys, okay? Tell me percentage of the gate. Spread. Let them come in, then we massacre them. I want you to spread. If I said ready, look, ready, engage, you start moving on me. Tell me your engage, Spectre. Tell me. Okay, wait, let them come. Okay? See him now. See him. Southwest on the choke. In 5, after J. 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone drop now. Drop. Drop. Okay, spread again. You can OC now. OC.
Crazy Dragon.
Spread for now. Spread for now. Crazy Dragon, don't die.
He's dead.
Okay, spread for now.
I can't
Oh my
survive
God.
with DPS, I guess.
Spread for now. Spread north. Spread north. Spread for now, okay? We will counter them. We will headbutt them. Spread for now. Let them come.
Look in front. Fake,
That's
fake.
fake.
Shaper.
Shaper. Sly, can you go outside, Sly? Can you CC them? We will go out after they go inside, ah. Yung some of the tank... No, some of the tank mount up and go to the back line, okay? Okay, DPS now. Southwest in 5,
Look.
4, 3, 2, 1. Omi now, Southwest. Nice damage.
nice play.
Oh, good damage. Good damage.
They have. I don't have.
Okay.
Looking.
Okay, CC them now. CC them now.
Go.
Okay, walk in. Go outside. Spread out. Everyone, look west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On me west. More damage. Then spread again. Go inside now. That's it. Go inside. Inside. Again. That's a warning, okay? You come here, you dead. Spread for now. No, he's in the no. After the engage, full CC them. After the engage, full CC them.
Okay.
Okay, kidnap this guy. Ready, inside the bus. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. On this titang inside the bus. Kill this titang. Then go back. They walking in now. They will walk in. Spread lang. Don't panic. Spread. They shallow.
Okay, guys.
Okay, walks out now. Ready? You have engaged or no? We don't have. Nice cleanse. Nice exalted. Good exalted.
More excited in the doors.
Shaper.
Okay, go north a bit. Okay? Spread lang.
Gate open, guys. Be careful in front.
Yes. Spread lang.
Stay in front. Locking.
Okay, full CC them now. Full CC them in southwest on the choke. Wait, keep moving first. Everyone on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully drop on. Spread them, bro. Agta, you're too deep. Heal the front. Spread now. Giga. Too deep, Agta, too deep. Go back. Healer step up. Okay, go. Spread again.
That's fake me win. What the hell? I'm forcing them to shallow on me, okay? They might shallow on me. They shallow. Now. Meowin, hiya.
Okay, everyone now. Ready. On the choke. In 5. Ready. Wait. Choke it. CC them first. Everyone on the choke. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Full drop on the choke now. Full drop now. Then spread. Don't drop. Drop wisely, guys. DPS. QW ditang into the pass. QW. My DPS as well. You drop at 1, okay? Drop at 1.
Yeah.
Spread.
Hindi ko kasi makita.
Looking front, guys.
Exalted.
Shaper.
Use exalted. Use exalted on after the engage, Use exalted. When they engaging. Because they will use
Hill
Heliod.
front. They might shallow me
They're-
again, okay?
Looking front.
Okay, they looking front. Everyone now.
They miss.
Okay. Everyone now, shallow inside the bus on this titang in 5. Exalted. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on this titang inside the bus now. Kill this titang inside the bus.
Nice.
That's it.
Nice.
Go back. Kill that ditang. So annoying. Spread.
Shaper.
Don't climb up. Everyone now, ready? Tell me cool down. 7 seconds. Okay?
Ready?
Okay, wait. Wait first. Hold that. QW on this titang, QW. Prepare, spread for now. Okay, prepare. We headbutt them on the choke. Spread.
Looking.
More spread.
They miss,
Okay,
they
ready?
miss, they
CC them now. CC them. Keep CC them. Walk west. Everyone now. Okay, keep moving west on the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fully drop now. Fully drop west. Fully drop.
Shaper.
More drop. Spread now.
Kill.
We kill. Good. Defensive on me. Heal me. Don't let me die.
Cook's dead.
Healer, please don't let me die. My healer. My main healer, don't let me die.
Okay. They full push.
Beam.
Hindi ko ma-open tong castle ko.
No. Bogart, because they use Bogart, they use, what do you call this one? They use,
Wala na pala. Sorry.
Shaper.
may rootbound kasi sila, they have rootbound. That's why I don't drop.
Rushing in front. Tap.
Saan kayo naglaban para?
Eh, Wag.
Putik.
Can you play bomb? Sir?
Wala akong high tier na ba?
Kill them.
Ano pwede mo gamitin? DPS na lang. Any DPS, nakabankable naman.
Balik ka ba?
Babalik ako. Nandito na ako.
Okay. Akala ko nasa ano na eh. Dimas na.
Dimas.
Nandito pa kalaban.
Shaper.
Wala.
Make sure you drop. Specto, you drop as well with me, Specto. You are my main damage. Drop with me. Conan, please focus on me, Conan. Don't let me die, Conan. Okay.
Oh, cut.
I was eating. Fuck. Didn't see.
Di mo ma-open, Iles? Specto, don't die. Na-open mo, Iles? Okay, shipper. Don't let me die, please, my healer. Don't be afraid. Wait. If after the engage, prepare to go outside, After the engage.
I'll force them to fake on me.
Okay, ready? On the choke. 5,
They don't have engage
4,
now.
3, 2, 1. Drop on the choke. Choke. Nice. We out now. Out. Full out now. Full out and spread. Walk out and spread. Now. Spread lang. Spread. Keep spreading. Spread. Don't go there. Don't go to them. They will engage. Giga.
Hey, Galaga.
Giga. Everyone now, come west. Walk west. Everyone, step up west. On the choke. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everyone on the choke now. Choke. QW. Kill the D-tanks. Spread again. QW. Spread. Just spread. XGen, I need you to soak it. XGen, I need you to soak. I need you to soak Xgen, okay?
Locking front, locking front.
They will engage you. They will engage you. They will engage you. They will engage you. Engage you. Come walk west now. Walk west now. Come west now. Come west now. Inch up us. 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 Everyone west in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All of them west. All of them. Drop. 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 Pull it. Drop. Pull it. Drop. Pull it. Drop. Good.
Nice.
Keep moving west. Keep moving west. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Keep pushing now. Keep pushing. They're broke. They're fucking broke. They fucking broke. They fucking broke. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. They're shaper in me. They're shaper on me. Come to me south. 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 They're pressure them. Pressure them. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Pressure them. Shaper on me. Shaper on me southeast. Shaper on me. Shaper on me. Shaper on me. Shaper on me. Giga. Look southeast. Look southwest. Look southwest. Southwest now. Southwest. Find this on the shaper. Find the shaper on me. Kill the shaper on me. 3, 2, 1 on the shaper now. Kill this one. Kill this one. Okay. Full chase them. Full chase them. Full chase them. Loot. Loot it, then full chase. Don't let them run. Don't let them run. Wipe them all. And loot as well. Ping.
Pinking.
The fact I'm overweight.
Oo, ba sila?
Ready, may 3, 2, crowd.
Meron pa dito.
Where, ping?
Nakamount.
Oh. Kay loot now.
Okay, thank you. I need to
Loot
go.
all, then we depo.
Hindi kita makita ko. Hindi tumatama minsan yung ano.
Good job there, guys. That was fun. Well played.
When
From
we
0D8
when we walk out there last
goddamn.
when we last walk out there, they try to engage in the bridge. What the hell? Everyone is stopped.
Yeah, they are 4 DA and we are 10. I think we have more 6
yun
people
nga eh.
than them.
Likod at harap wala eh. Walang nakadrop.
By the way, nice dirt ditang sa.
Yeah.
Siguro, I will add a healer on the ditang so that you can soak more in the front. And my main healer next time, please be me. Don't let me die. I think Spectre, that's good. That weapon is good for engaging.
Pag naka-ice block, di ka ma-heal, di ba?
Until to Demon. Let's go.
Spectre needs a dedicated healer though. Watching him eat some demon armor there.
I think malayo lang sila konti. After I died, two of them beam, and every time they engage, 2 beam on me. Okay, go zone now, go zone. Everyone zone. At least we defend it.
Did we level up on castles?
Sa Tundra
No,
naman ba?
because
I die.
Tundra.
TCT.
Tundra naman. Okay, depo all the loot and guild loot drop. Wait lang. Did you depo now?
Yes, I already did the depo.
Okay, depo now. Guild loot drop. Depo. The Shaper dead? Did you loot the Shaper? Only 6.2? Are they T8 only?
7 nga lang yung iba eh.
Kaya pala malambot.